If you're in Portland, Oregon, or just passing through and need your bike serviced, or maybe you just want to grab a beer with some awesome motorcycle people, Legion Motorcycle Company will have you covered. I'm Caitlin from motorcycledestinations.com. Now let's go see what the legends at Legion have on the lift.
Well, come on in. This is where bikes get worked on.
If you need to get your bike worked on, or maybe you want to do the work yourself, Legion is a great place to do that.
With a couple specialized Harley mechanics and a couple that work on metric bikes, Legion works on just about everything.
They offer both servicing your bike as well as a DIY area.
DIY membership is hourly, daily, or monthly. You get access to the lift, hand tools, oil disposal, rags, brake clean, all that stuff. You can hire a tech to help you out too.
And you can have a beer while you're doing the work.
So we have a bar, it's called Larry's Corner Bar. It's a full service bar. Right now it's open Wednesday through Saturday, 4 to midnight. It's a good spot to hang out and get a beer while your bike gets worked on, or hang out with a bunch of folks at the end of the workday or on the weekend and just have a good time.
Legion is located just across the river in the more warehouse district, which is super cool. So you got a lot of art stuff going on, you got some breweries in the area. So maybe if you don't want to hang out here, there's plenty of food and breweries right around town. If you're coming during the daytime to hang out, it might be best to do the street parking, because as you can see, there are a lot of motorcycles that are either being worked on or stored here.
We also offer just bike storage. When they come in, we hook them up to a battery tender and make sure they're fresh and ready to go when they're ready to be picked up.
They don't have their own towing service, but they are associated with Ace Towing and Transportation in the area. So whether you need your bike worked on, work on it yourself, come in for a beer, or you need to have your bike stored here for a time, this is definitely the spot for you. MotorcycleDestinations.com is uploading a new YouTube video every single day. So subscribe to stay in the loop and click here to see another great destination.